Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Wink. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Wink. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Wink on a device and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here you can see your profile. To change your name, you must tap Edit Profile. Here, tap your name and change it to whatever you like. Tap Done. Finally, tap the eye at the top right corner to preview your name on your profile. And that's how you change your name on Wink. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.